welcome back to my channel. In this video we will be styling hair accessories. In my last curly styling video we did hats, so you guys love that so much, so I thought I'd bring you this one. If you are ever wondering about my curly hair routine, I will also link that above. And to do these styles, I will say it's a lot easier to do on stretched hair. I have been loving the oversized headband trend, and for this first hairstyle I just had my hair flipped into a side kind of part and I just put it on. You could also add your glasses if you want to look like you're from the cast of Scooby-Doo, but essentially you can also do your edges if you'd like, and have a little more fancy. For the second hairstyle, I usually style my wash and goes without a part, so I'm just kind of finding it here, pulling out some bangs, and we're gonna do a half up and half down hairstyle. You're gonna see this a lot throughout this video because this is just a style that I find really flattering to my facial features. And voila! Now, my stylist is going to fight me when I go back to the salon because here I was having, I genuinely, it was actually stuck. Luckily I got it out though. So for this next style, what we're gonna do is a classic top knot bun. Essentially it can be a really messy look. I prefer that more laid back look to it. And then you just add your headband on top. And this is the black one that I featured in my Aritzia haul. And I also have this cute pink one, and essentially for buns and headbands you could also take it to like a sleek look. I did that in my video where I was talking about how to online shop well. And also too, you can take out your sideburns and then spritz them with water. Here I'm using the Blueberry Bliss Control Paste, which is pretty good for doing styles like this. And I also find it a lot easier when you spritz your fingers and then dampen your hair. But essentially for this outfit, I find the half up and half down style looks the best. So for my outfit, I'm wearing my pinky ring, which I mentioned in my last video, which is from Etsy. And I'm also wearing these earrings that I picked up not too long ago, the other day from Garage. And this oversized velvet headband is from Naked. And this handbag I am obsessed with. It is so cute. I love a good shoulder bag. It's just so pretty and like feminine. And it is from Tennille. This dress here will also be featured in an upcoming Aritzia haul. Yes, there will be another one. So now we take it into hair clips, and I have this one here, which is like a vintage Fendi clip for a few months now. We're again in the same hairstyle, and I'm just figuring out where I want to clip it. And essentially to the side I find looks best. And then the next style that we're going to go into here is actually just a hair flip. It's just a hair flip, it's nothing crazy. So you just flip your hair to the side, try not to break your neck, and then bobby pin it down. Again, you can also do your edges, but yeah, and then you just clip in the clip. Next style I have here is inspired by this photo here. I've seen a lot of people wear their hair clips like this, but it's not that simple if you have thick curly hair, so I had to ponder it for a bit. So essentially we're gonna do, it's a half up, half down hairstyle. So you can kind of pull everything back and put it into a bun if you'd like. or like a little ponytail, and then you can just clip it in right on top. Or to have the back of your hair sit a bit flatter, I'm going to pull out some of my bangs here and I'm going to braid the crown of my hair. Again, nothing too loose if you watched me styling curly hair with hats, because I'd like to wear my hair in a wash and go after, so I keep the braids pretty loose. And then once you look like Pippi Longstocking, you're going to pull those braids to the back and then kind of like have them sit snug together, and then you're going to pin them down with bobby pins. And your hair sits pretty flat after you do this. And then clip in your clip. And I also forgot to mention, this is a really nice way for you to fit your sunglasses on top of your head, kind of like a headband in a sense. So for my outfit, I have this thrifted oversized cardigan, and I'm wearing it with some vintage Levi men's jeans, which I featured in my favorite denim video. And of course I have my vintage Fendi Mama baguette, which matches the clip perfectly. I love this outfit. It's so laid back and chill. Next accessory is the scrunchie, and I have this in pink and in black, but I forgot to show the black one. But anywho, again, half up and half down, surprise surprise. And then we're just gonna add in the scrunchie. I kind of look like I'm 10 years old here, but you get the gist. You can also do a top knot bun as well too. But taking your bun downtown, you can kind of sweep your hair to a side curly ponytail and add the scrunchie in that way with some bangs. But me personally, I prefer the look of a bun instead of a ponytail, so I just tucked in all of my hair and then added back the scrunchie. And for this outfit, I picked up this really cutesy skirt the other day from Nasty Gal. I think it's such a pretty summer piece. I'm wearing it with the same handbag from Nelly and this cardigan from Super Down. Yeah, the scrunchie I had just picked up from like Winners, but yeah, you can find them anywhere. And I thought the scrunchie and a headband would look really cute together as well too. Now I'm doing a dive because this outfit here is inspired by vacations and being on the beach and swimming. So we're going into scarves now. For this hairstyle, we're going to braid the crown of our hair again, and then we're going to pin it back with bobby pins. And it's up to you if you'd like to leave out bangs for this, but I prefer the look without bangs. Then you're going to take your scarf, preferably something really big, and you're going to fold it in half into a triangle, and then you're going to place this on your head and just follow me on the screen here. Essentially, it was really hard for me to do because I forgot you have to pull the scarf really low or else you're going to look like a goofy. Bring the scarf right around the front and tie it, and then adjust it as you please, and you're gonna take that tail in the back and pull it through, and then just tuck everything in that's sticking out. And then I also find it really flattering when you pull your hair forward as well. So for this outfit, I'm just wearing this little white bikini from MISSGUIDED and this collared shirt from H&M, and my AGOLDE denim cutoff shorts. And this scarf here I actually thrifted like years ago. I think it's been like 10 years. So there's so many other hairstyles you can do with scarves. Here I'm going to, surprise surprise, do that same hairstyle, but I left out too much hair this time. And then take your scarf in a triangle and then fold it into itself into a little rectangle, and then you're just going to tie it around your hair like so. Now you can play around with how big you want the bow to look, and you can tuck it in or, you know, do your thing. Again, almost killed my hair. So back to the messy top knot bun. This is probably one of my favorite ways to wear a scarf if I'm not on vacation. So I'm just taking this cute scarf here from Sandro and tying it around the top knot. And essentially you can play around if you want the tendrils of the scarf to like sit on top of your bun or behind it. I actually prefer the way it looks sitting behind it, falling a little bit longer, kind of like a ponytail. It's really pretty. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this styling video. Make sure you click my head to subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you'd like to chit chat or whatever. And make sure you watch these other videos that you may have missed. I love you guys so much and take care.